If the round part I buckle and boy a little part there and should be so. So you have to piss in that top part and run down in that part and run in the next panel and go out the door in a bucket. And I say little we about around bro. Around 8 or 9 a we in a cell at the time, bro. Me see man turn up and sleep and a job. Man turn up cause watch no space no in there for your sleep. And the killer them or then you can't ramp with a man bunk. Can't ramp with a man bed dog. You hear me I tell you bro? You have to sleep on the concrete bro. Brother, me dey on the concrete and me eye can't shit. Bro, me eye then can't shit. Because me uncomfortable dog. And me I say yo, look for my beautiful bed when me bumbuck like that. When me run come in a jailhouse come on the bed. Anyway dog, me see a man turn up and I turn up me see man turn up and I sleep. Turn up, bro. My dude, me think say a joke thing bro. Anyway, me did it dog. Alright, me go in there supposed to be Monday. Anyway, Tuesday come now. Man then call for breakfast in the morning, bro. Me think say a proper meal me did I go get. Brother, not even dog no figure a jailhouse. Down a Huntsby. Huntsby a jail me a talk about, bro. If any man got Huntsby jail and not done with badness, him really a idiot. That jail there alone will make you talk bad. Me say down a Huntsby jail alone will change your mind for no bad. Bro, anyway, when we go out now for breakfast, when we now go out there for bombard breakfast, brother, you don't know a water jug them where oil coming out, then wash out the water jug. You want to see tea, brother, living sugar and water, that brother. Bad man, I live in sugar and water, that brother. Brother, what me say, I live in sugar, brother, Lord God, we have to drink it. The man then a kill with pill. A be a pill there in it, you know. A be a pill them put in it, you know, bro. A pill them put in there, you know. You see slice of bread there, man, then give it. The bread no fat like my little finger right, that's how me I show you. The bread no fat like my finger, bro. But you have this little boy in a cell with we. The little boy about 16 years old. Me don't know where I'm doing in jail, but anyway, we ask him. Listen what make him in jail now. His mother send him to jail. His mother, because he don't want here where mother put him in jail now. A boy, because we ask him and the dog tell me, the dog say, yo, every time his mother talk to him, he not here. He might go a party and come in the house when him feel like. And it ends off on corner and a high glaze, me no want to go to school. So you know what boy mother do? The boy mother just make police go lock him up in a jail for a couple months. Well, because the dog send they brought about 2 months. The little boy mother teach him a lesson. And mother have to come for him, you know. The mother teach him a lesson, say, yo, you see what you take up? Lowy. Brother. The little boy saving bread them. Every slice of bread where you get he saving. Bro. Anyway. Wednesday now. Come. The police ain't call me. No, Wednesday my mother. Yeah, Wednesday my mother come up there. You see, if me they give police my right name, me da come out the Wednesday, you know. When my mother come up there for me, you know. When you see you a wrong name, me give police them. When my mother come up there now and give police them my right name. The police say run my mother in yard and say nobody run this on the name, so. Bro, the police say run my mother in yard and say nobody run in the name, so. Brother, I tell you them this, bro. When time police hold you know, when you give police on the right name. Because you see wrong thing, dog, you will get in a trouble. And when we sink on yourself in a life, yeah? Tell them the right thing. Believe me, bro, me just lucky, dog. Father God just have something for me, dog. Where, like Father God say, yo, you want to look special, you, bro. Because I can't tell you, bro. I tell you what, no. We Wednesday, yo, the police run my mother. Thursday, the police ain't call me out and call out my virgin. But me think say, yo, a Lego me, a Lego no, you know. People tap up the screen and send me some gift. Anyway, I go to bomb, dog, and when I go to bomb and tie up in front of a grill, the police have a laptop in her hand. Say, type in the wrong name of my game, bro. You see the name of me type in, brother. When man type in, I don't know, say, it's a wanted man, blood clip picture, come up bad, man. People, I grace of God make me there so youth. Dog, you don't know, say, the police go call. The police go call our next police and I say, look on the board, you know him this. And the police at them say, no man, I know him, man. Bro, the boy named Biggs out of Huntsby. I don't know if he's still a police. The man got from 2014. The man goes to boom and go call our next police again. And I say, look on the boy, you know him this. And the police say, no man, I know him, man. But you see, man, we come up on the screen, he have one tattoo in his stomach. One big tattoo he have in his stomach. So the boy say, oh, if you take off my shirt. So I go to Bama and take off my shirt. So I find out say no tattoo no there in my stomach. But anyway, watch your funny joke now. The boy now have a gunshot wound in his foot. Look how me sad. You don't know say bicycle spokes. Bicycle. They dig out the hole of my foot right as a tattoo me use and cover off it. Me show you because we not tell lie, bro. See there, a tattoo me use and cover off it. A tattoo me put and cover off it because I look away. You see me on a big chop. So anyway, when the boy say me fi take me, the police say me fi lift up my pants. So me lift up my pants. When me lift up my pants, you see him? The man go see cut. Say the man I say, yo, I hear me now? See gunshot there. Me I say, officer, a bicycle dig out my foot. You see me, I cut that. Anyway, the boy laugh. The boy laugh and he pull the grill and carry me now and lick. Who know one lick part on the Huntsby, one lick part where they kind of go take your measurement, your picture and write up your fingerprint. Anyway, the dog take me out of the cell. Carry me ground, they say, police said to me, say, you ever got foreign yet? I say, me never got foreign no father. Them tell me not even have ID. Me just tell you that dog. Because them the time them usually that try to take myself from society. No government, nobody nothing know nothing about me, bro. Them time them have ID, bro. But anyway, the dog take a picture of me, he take me height, he fingerprint me, and I write down on a little paper and I say to me, say, ever got foreign yet? I say, no, say, me never got foreign. Anyway, boy laugh. So he give me a paper to sign my signature. So I go to boom and sign my signature. Boom. Me thinks in my yard, me I go Thursday. The man came back, go choke me back in a cell. Bad man. Me couldn't manage no more. Bro, the man ended up killing me with white rice. Man ended up killing me with white rice and macaroni with chicken mix up. So you know, say alone gassy man, them a gas you up, bro. Bad man. More why when the rice come, dog, the rice soft. And what the hell one dog a tell me say? One dog go Huntsby a tell me say police and get the food from 12 o'clock. And the boy then put the food in his son. So you know say he eat where food actually come with. Then put it back in his son. So that I go his son eat where I go depend that he alone I go sweat, bro. And what the dog a tell me, dog, say that them did a do with dog. Bad man when the rice come in, bro. With the macaroni and the chicken, dog. Bad man. Brother, me never have no option, me that near me, dog. Me never have no option, but you have two dogs where run off his cell. Them man don't name them the food, bro. And Lynx the dog have a beer, rice and peas and chicken them man they eat. Anyway, me never have no option. Me did have to near me. You hear that? You see tea where man them a give you, man them put pill in it. You know normally that wake up a morning time and your cocky that stiff. Your cocky that turn up so. Bro, every morning when me wake up from me start drinking tea, my cocky can't stiff. The cocky dead. Bro, anyway, me tired of food. Me couldn't take food no more. Me couldn't take food no more. Macaroni and the white rice that kill me over once be to blood clot. Sorry for you bad people. Anyway, me go so bam no one. Sunday come now. You don't know say Sunday come now and Sunday. Me did it dog. A Saturday, you see Saturday? Saturday I want the longest day at jail. That's when they lock up in a Huntsby. You can't know when time and night from there. When you go hold a beard, you can't know when a day from night. You hear that? Believe me, we're around there so you can't know when a night from there, brother. Anyway, Sunday now, the general will run off his cell, make two connect and say, yo, send in on 3 rice and peas, fried chicken and rare, we don't want the jail food. The dog get it and the dog split up here, see me? The dog split up the food and I saw. Me no get for none of white rice, say boy them have a send come on, they look at dirty dassy food. Where boy they have a give man them. Neither dog no the one that the food they for me no. Sometimes me rice soft, sometimes me rice tough. Sometimes me rice soft, sometimes me rice tough. Me couldn't understand that the chef the bro. Believe me dog. But anyway, it's Sunday now. Me stay so bad man. The dog them say to me say, yo nine, you soon come up my dog man. I go jump up bro, you see? I come out man, the man they don't hold up on I come out man. So anyway, but they I sell by a man, them I tell me that me hear my name call. The wrong name I give them me hear it call. And they say, boom bad. I never cut me, I go cut and out do God. Because I can't turn the next night in this car. Around 3 nights, yeah, water reach me you know dog from my ball, you know dog. And we have body sting and road, you know. You get me I say bro, around 3 nights, me nearly ball, you know, me no sleep. Brother, me no sleep around. Me no sleep around 3 nights, you know. Because I couldn't sleep in that. I can't sleep under the concrete, they in the hot. In the hot dog, in the torment, you have to fun yourself with cardboard or sometimes man can take away cardboard from you, bro. You hear me I tell you, bro? Like a man never say, oh, you up on the concrete of the sleep, bro. Man I use all the marina. You see me? Man, I use all them marina, bro. Man, I use all them marina for shit. Man, I use a marina for shit. From down here, so come up. Bro, anyway, Sunday, dog. When me hear my name call me, I say, Father God. Because I start believing in God differently from the time. If I get to lick them from the police or something, I start believing in God from a different level, you know, dog. Me I tell you, brother. Anyway, I say, Father God, one day if I come out, me I come out now, Father God. Anyway, Sunday evening, like, no. But now 6 o'clock, yeah. It's Sunday evening. When the man then call me, dog, and the man then say, yo, see your bag, yeah, and me I say, yes, Father God, I come out, me I come out. I could have done the next day. Maybe I mean the next day, me mad. Because I saw members say, yo, my little girlfriend good have sex for me, you know. All me this, some me saw meds, dog. I start meds on type of way, dog. I start meds. Dog, anyway. When the boy then go so boom now, dog, and fly me up, dog, and me walk out, bro. Me decide, say, oh, me nah go back and no more jail. Me tell me say, me nah go back and no more jail. And that me dey tell myself, you know. You see, as me come out, me say, see same bag when me pack go town. Me take that black side and come back a country. Bro, I never look back at town. End up go up there couple times, well. R.I.P. no me dog, rest in peace, bro. I just a part of badness, dog. One belly must big up yourself, my dog, over me the rest of the day, bro. Sorry. All me can tell all of them young youth, I say. You know how badness and go pre-millions, yeah? Badness no pay, yeah? Me can tell all of you say, yo, badness no pay. You know low it. Can't say, my 9G one law, never tell you no. When you no go to jail, and the woman start sex for you, no go send man and you no pray, say, yo, dog, anything you wanna do in a life, you think about your family them, yeah? If everything you wanna do, think about your family them. Because you see, more while we as a youth, dog, I do things in the street and I remember, say, yo, we have family. And we family then can get in a problem because of we, you see me? So, more while them think there's a life teaching, bro. Yeah, me I tell you, no, bro. Because sometimes, you know, most time we as a youth, you know, sometimes we as youth make we family then dead off, you know. Enough time we as youth make we family then dead off more while, you know, dog. I tell you, you know, most time we as youth cause we family their life, you know, bro. I tell you, you know, we, you know. Yeah, me I tell you, bro. I'm gonna take myself out there, bro. I tell my family them, you know, dogs. You see, me say, you see, once you know, say me a bad man, and me I do people things a road, our police kill me, our man kill me, don't come say me innocent. If you don't know, say me I do things a road, don't say me innocent. Cause enough time, you know, the parents say no, say them pick me I do things a road, but you then love the dirty money. And when time police kill them, our man kill them, bro, then go fuck.